Pesky fingerprints or wet dog noses are easily cleaned with glass cleaner. Same with watermarks on your mirror. But sometimes you're running late in the morning and your jacket zipper is stuck. The solution might not be what you expect. One to two sprays of glass cleaner on a zipper will allow you to pull it free. If fingerprints have made your stainless steel appliances a little unsightly, some glass cleaner and a cotton cloth will wipe them away. Dusty electronics can look shiny and new when you clean them after you spray down a cloth. If you have a clear glass cleaner on hand, you can attack some of those carpet stains. Teachers, this one's for you. Those hard-to-clean whiteboard marker stains can be cleaned with glass cleaner as well. Give your car a thorough cleaning. Glass cleaner isn't just for windows. And after dinner, wipe away any grease splatters with some glass cleaner to make your kitchen shine.